And as you guys can see, I am walking. How I start my Saturdays off. Anyways, once I get out of my bed, I get, brush my teeth, get dressed, and I go to the gym. So I walk to the gym like every Saturday. When I had got my belly pierced, I had skipped 2 Saturdays. So I went to the gym last Saturday. I didn't make no type of video to post on my Instagram, nor did I vlog. But we're on the way to the gym right now. And after the gym, I had to go get my nails done for school. I don't get my hair done until the 22nd. That's the day before school, so it'll be fresh or whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna get my nails done, and then I gotta go shopping for school. I ordered, y'all. I was gonna get my school supplies. Like I was actually gonna go to the store, but y'all, your girl, I don't drive around like that. My mom don't let me drive the car like that. So, with that being said, most of the time I Uber around. And I can't be spending money on clothes and Ubering around. And supplies and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, we're going to be Ubering today. I almost had the car today, y'all. I almost had the car today. My mama said her signal is out, so you can't drive, but that's when her signal out. But yeah, that's basically the plan today, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Without further ado, peace. Alright, y'all, we made it to the gym, and I'm about to stretch, y'all. But before I stretch, the video where I, you can see the trail where I'm walking on, I went to the bar, put like 25 on both sides. And I did 15 sets of the bars on my shoulder, lifting it up. 15 sets, I did 2 sets. No, I did 15. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I did 2 sets of 15, pushing the bars up and down, doing the squats. And now I'm about to scratch because I did not scratch. The reason why I went to that bar first is because if I had scratched before I did that, I would have never went back around to use the bars. I'm kind of sweating just a little TT, not that much. But with the scratch, I guess I'll record me scratching. What's up, y'all? So I started filming a video for y'all yesterday, and I did not finish it. I just now realized that. And I was going to film today from the time I woke up all the way to the end of the day, just so y'all could see me clean this room up, see me cook, do the basic Sunday stuff, or whatever it may be, y'all. And then I was like, you know what? No, because usually on the Sundays when I do clean up, I put my little word on, gospel music, whatever the case may be. I was going to let y'all see that. But it's like, no, this is the time for me and, to reset, whatever. So I did not record it. However, I am still listening to music, gospel music. I got it paused right now so you guys can hear what I'm saying so that you can hear me and not the music. However, I basically put the cloth together, Put the shoes right there and a little dresser right there. First of all, that dresser is not gonna be over there for a long time. As soon as I order, because I'm ordering me a new dresser, that's like a little bin or whatever, and it's, you know, whatever the case may be. And I got stuff sitting on it until I can figure out what I want to put with that. I got the shoes right there. Got the shoes right there. With the shoes being right there, I'm gonna get like a little bin, or not a bin, but like a stand that have cubbies or whatever, so I can put the shoes in there. So those boxes and those shoes that do not have boxes is gonna be gone by the time I order that stuff. And no, it's not gonna take up space because I got like the tall one and not the wide one. So even for my, no, well, the dresser is a little bit, the dresser is wide too, but it's not gonna take up a lot of space. This bed right here is like this. I'm gonna move it this way, long ways. No, this is long ways, sideways, so that I can have more room or whatever the case might be. So I can like figure out which area I'm gonna use for the YouTube corner or whatever. Y'all, my mama got this one painted green and purple. Like, I don't know, she don't want to paint it back with white. Cause first she was like, "Well, you can do it." I was like, "Okay, bet, that's a bet." I was gonna paint it myself. And she was like, "Oh no, you know what you're doing. Like, I ain't never painted a wall before." But anyways, yeah. So she don't want to paint the room white again or purple, fully purple. So therefore, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna make this theme work with this green and this purple. But it is what it is. I might just do all white or gray at this point, cause yeah. And then I got all of the stuff right there. So that's just like, what is that over there? That's my hairband over there with mm, snacks over there, basically. Yeah, that's just my hairband and snacks. And then my little clothes basket right there with my bags in it, because I got to figure out where I'm going to put my bags at. And I think I'm going to put it inside there, the ones that I'm not using. Inside at the bottom of the dresser, the closet, whatever. Anyways, and then over here's the back door. And yeah, so I'm going to turn the bed like kind of that way, something like that. Over the case may be. So I just wanted you guys to see that. And I got a box of hangers sitting in the middle of the floor right now. Because I got all my clean clothes on this bed and I am currently like putting it up. And then the new clothes, the clothes that I got to try on for you guys for the second haul video or whatever the case may be, I got to try those on before I put those up so that you guys can see me try it on, so I can see how it fit, yada, yada, yada. You know, etc. Y'all, my hair is like Philly Willy right now under this bonnet. Like, it's not in the ponytail. I take the ponytail. Every time I put the bonnet on and my hair's not done, just know I take the ponytail out. It's so loud. Anyways, yeah. And I had went to the dermatologist and bought these creams or whatever. I only use it once. Only reason why I use it once is because I thought my eyes was swollen up, y'all. This one right here. But it looked fine. It don't hurt when I touch it no more. So when I go in the shower, I'm going to use the cream that they tell me to use on my back, because I do get back acne. It's not ugly or whatever, but it's back there. You know, I see my baby hair. That's why it don't, like, when I get braids, it don't last like it. Then a week it'll already be out the braids. But yeah, so I'm just gonna finish cleaning up, and then for my little snacks, I'm gonna make my little snack bags early, because I'm not about to be doing this last minute stuff. Well, I did do last minute stuff. I mean, I didn't do last minute stuff, but like some stuff didn't get done to last minute because I was waiting on other people to get stuff done for me, and you can't do that sometimes. So yeah, but pretty much everything is already taken care of for school. Only thing I gotta get is my senior packet, and get the stuff for this room, and then get the stuff for my business that I want to start. So y'all, pray for me, cause yeah. So I just want you guys to see that. I'll show you guys the transform of how it looks now. What is this right here? That's a bump. Okay, there you go. Do you guys like my nails? Yeah, my nails and my toes are so pretty right now, but my toes always pretty. For real, my toes is pretty when it's not done, but it's sexy when it's done. Yeah. yeah, so I really love this set. I really love my nail tech because she does an amazing job. Like, do y'all see this? Like, do y'all? Let me go back and see it. Hold on. Anyways, yeah, I'm just into pictures and videos because at this point, it's not focusing on my nails. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that's what I'm doing, and we'll see you again to the next video. Peace. Good morning, y'all. It is finally August 23rd. It is the day that me and my closest friends are officially starting our senior year. As you guys can see, I have little dots on my face. That is my gel for my face. Y'all, I don't even know if y'all can see the one up there on my nose, but yep. And I just got out the shower, so I just had to do an intro for you guys so you guys can see me prepared. This is the end of the video, y'all, for you guys. And y'all go see the hair. Without further ado, we gonna get dressed and then we gonna come back for y'all. What's up, y'all? We at the school. You see my boo. What's up?
Hey y'all. It's the first day of school.
Period.
I look fly.
Hey.
Why you got my shoes though?
With me? Oh, we got the shoes on?
Why you copying me?
Oh, we got the shoes on, y'all.
You copying me.
And you gotta tell me about your social media and all that, you know?
Alright guys, my Instagram is the CEO _ Sean.
Period.
YouTube is
You got a YouTube, Sean? Can you do that?
but I don't know what it is.
Well,
You got all the people on it.
alright. Jay, you wanna say what's up to the YouTube?
What's up? I need to tell I look anyway.
Y'all, so we in here, right?
Like y'all wasn't here last year.
They messed
Y'all
up
see what
our
they
schedule.
Y'all see what they shit say?
Big senior. Period.
Big 12.
Big seniors. Can't wait.
Hi, kitty. Alright, y'all. They messed up our schedule, so that's
Yeah.
why we in here.
All us.
And then, like, this is so ghetto. Well, we coming back. We see y'all later. Bye. What's up, y'all? So today was an epic fail because they messed up my schedule. Unsubscribe. Y'all, my schedule not even fixed, and it's the end of the day, and we gonna bust and we leaving. But y'all, I see all my little babies, and I said I miss them. So like, let me. Why y'all? Oh, y'all some lame.
What's up, vlog?
Y'all lame.
Go follow me
On what?
on Instagram.
What's the Instagram?
Die4Naya_.
Back up, cause you didn't want to say what's up. So bye. Get out the camera. Go ahead.
Shop Ports Apparel.
Type shit and things of that nature.
They
Shut
make
up.
it in a trap house.
Yeah, type shit, things of that nature.
Y'all, and they back
He
here
sells
acting
drugs.
real.
Go cop some.
Don't do that. Don't say that on. You never get my video blocked. What's wrong with you? Somebody sell drugs. What's wrong with you? Anyways, y'all, they acting lame back there. They ain't have to say hi, but you know, they know what's up. I missed him. I have missed this one too. He real dude. He real dope. You want to say hi to vlog?
All out. After.
Anyways, y'all, I am a senior and they're not. And so it was okay today, I guess.
I'm thick and she's not.
Don't do that, cause I'm thick. You just thicker than me. But anyways, it's giving whatever. Y'all see the curls don't drop.
I don't give you your permission to record me.
So
Delete the footage. No.
what happened?
Delete the footage. I don't give you permission to record me.
Oh, for real? You put yourself in the camera earlier though. And you in the camera rubbing your mustache.
You will be going to court.
Oh well.
Can I get your name?
Oh well. I'll just cut you out. That's all. I'll just cut you out the video. Your little baby face. Anyways, that's what's up. Period. Hold on. Oh my god, that's another bump on my face.